Hi everyone, welcome to video 7 from our 11-step process on how we use to get new customers for businesses using Facebook ads. Use this to get and grow your business starting next week. In video 7, we're going to focus more towards OMNI Channel. And one of the OMNI Channel that we're going to focus on is SMS Message. This is a very simple and short video. So let's begin. Once people opt in to the messenger, all right, or to the opt-in page, whether it's a website, or through the Facebook landing page and through a message on messenger, this is where the fun really starts. Once someone puts their information into the landing page, we want to start making it easy for them to call and book an appointment to claim the offer they just said that they wanted. I also want to make sure that they have a reminder to claim the offer if they are currently doing something when they opt in, all right? It could be they're having dinner or they're watching a TV, and they was just reading through the social media postings, all right? And then they saw the offer and they opt in. Please make sure there's a way for you to interact and send them a reminder that they actually requested for this information. Let me show you this where the text message comes in. And this is, like I said, it's done through SMS. As soon as they put their phone number into the box, on the landing page or to the messenger, we will automatically send them a text message. This message looks like this. There is nothing super complicated about this message at first glance. On closer inspection, however, you'll find out that the number listed to call isn't actually the number of the business. The number it tells them to call is actually a tracking number. It allows you to know that this person is calling about this campaign. Because of this, we know exactly which new customer coming from which office or coming from which offer. Note, this is something that we somehow it is something difficult that if you're not tech savvy, if you need help to set this up, just contact us. This setup is similar for Messenger, but the difference is you can use Messenger subsequent follow-up to use the 24-hour window the moment they interact with you through the bot. On Facebook, there are 5 main ways to message bot subscriber. But once outside the 24-hour window, after they interact with you through a messenger, right, you can actually use 4 types of message text, and that's 4 selection that you can actually communicate with them once they enter through the bot, through the entry point that you have set up. If you do things correctly, you can actually extend the 24-hour window to another 24-hour window. I've also recorded a special video on how to message messenger bot subscribers in the group, where I explain to you all the different types of messages that you can communicate with your bot subscribers, including message text on the four different types of message text. All right. Now, this is video 7, OMNI Channel, which is through SMS. The next video, we're going to talk about another OMNI Channel, which is another way to reach out to your subscriber. So if video 7, you have any query or any question, just type QQQ, all right, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. So till then, we'll talk again in video 8. Bye bye.